A man has to consume thousands of pounds of food every day, yet he never feels satisfied. This is because a gluttonous demon has made its home in his esophagus, constantly devouring everything he eats. In Russia, there's a hospital that specializes in treating patients with supernatural afflictions. During one particular surgery, a large spider slowly crawled up Novak's shoe and onto his surgical gown, quickly making its way to his shoulder. When Novak turned around, the spider startled him so badly that his hand jerked involuntarily, causing the forceps to puncture the patient's blood vessel. Novak immediately began emergency procedures to repair the damage, patching up the small hole in the vessel. He then looked down at the spider on the floor and crushed it under his foot, demanding to know from the nurse who had cleaned the operating room that day. The nurse looked puzzled, but when Novak lifted his foot, the spider had vanished completely. The nurse stared at him with equal confusion. Suddenly, a wave of intense noise hit him, causing severe head pain. Sensing something was terribly wrong, he quickly had his assistant take over the surgery. But just as he finished washing his hands in the restroom, he collapsed to the floor. After regaining consciousness, Novak went to radiology for a brain CT scan. The neurosurgeon discovered a tumor in his brain that had already reached stage 4. The fact that Novak was still functioning normally was nothing short of miraculous. However, Novak was only experiencing hallucinations of various insects without any other symptoms, which was vastly different from typical tumor cases. After hearing about Novak's hallucinations, the doctor suddenly asked if he had been hearing crawling sounds and made several strange noises, exactly the sounds that frequently appeared in Novak's hallucinations. Novak looked at him in utter amazement, but the doctor refused to elaborate further. Instead, he recommended a private hospital, suggesting Novak seek treatment there, as they specialized in dealing with this particular type of unusual tumor.